mi, re, te, sol, la, fa, mi, re. So this is do, te, la, sol, fa, mi, re. So in the second one I played is like this. So, mi, do, sol, la, fa, la, so. Then so, ti, mi, so, fa, la, so, do, mi, do, fa, then la.